Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through a step-by-step process on how to fix verify OKX. OKX is a popular cryptocurrency exchange known for its advanced trading features, including spot, futures, and options trading. To verify your account, you must complete the Known Your Customer or KYC process by providing personal details, uploading a government-issued ID, and taking a selfie for facial recognition. Verification enhances security and allows access to higher withdrawal limits and fiat transactions. OKX supports various cryptocurrencies and offers DeFi services, staking, and an NFT marketplace. The platform has a user-friendly interface, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced traders. It provides robust security measures like two-factor authentication or 2FA and anti-phishing code. OKX also has a mobile app for trading on the go. However, some users report issues with customer support response times. The exchange is not available in certain jurisdictions due to regulatory restrictions. Overall, OKX is a well-rounded platform with extensive features for crypto enthusiasts. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.